Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. We've made a lot of spring rolls on this channel and they're always good, but they come out just a little bit soggy when they're deep fried, and we always make them with pork. So I thought, what about if we bake them, try them with beef, add a few additional spices. So we made these beef spring rolls, these baked beef spring rolls, and they turned out just incredible. So let me show you how to do this and let's get started. To kick things off, I'm going to add a bit of oil to a preheated pan. So what I've got here is about a half a kilo or a pound of lean ground beef. I'm just going to go ahead and add this into the pan. Then we'll just kind of break this down and fry it up just till it's cooked through, and this should take, I'd say about 4 or 5 minutes. Now I should mention here, even though it is lean ground beef, you're going to get quite a bit of fat off it, so you might want to drain that off. And also this is being fried over medium-high heat. Okay, we're about done here, so I'm just going to kill the heat. So I'm going to add in half an onion that I've chopped up pretty fine. 3 cloves of garlic. Again, everything is chopped fairly fine. Thumb-sized ginger. You wouldn't believe the smell of this. This is incredible. Half a carrot. A good pinch of salt. And one of my all-time favorites, some ground black pepper. And I say this in every video, I just love pepper, so I'm going to add quite a bit of it. But it's entirely up to you. You can do this according to taste. A couple of tablespoons of one of my all-time favorites, hoisin sauce. I just love this stuff. And I should mention, if you don't have it, you can go ahead and add, I'd say oyster sauce, barbecue sauce, soy sauce, whatever's your favorite. But if you have hoisin sauce, by all means use it, because it is so good. Now we'll just give this a stir and fry it up till the onion and garlic are fragrant, and that delicious fragrance fills the air. This smells good already. Yum. Lastly, kill the heat. And I'm going to add in those yummy, delicious green onions. Or spring onions, whatever you want to call them. Now, you can add these with the rest of the ingredients before, but I like adding them now because I don't like them to get too wilty. So it's probably best to add them at the end. Give it a stir, and that's our mixture made. Alright, what I've got here is some spring roll wrappers, and you can pick these up in the frozen section of just about any grocery store. And just make sure you thaw them overnight. Scoop up a couple of good spoons of our mixture. Lay it into the center of the wrapper, and you don't want to get too close to the edges. Then we're going to grab up one edge and the other edge and fold both of them into the middle. Then take our other one, lay it over the top, and you want to tuck these fairly tight and just go ahead and roll until you get just about to the edge. Take some of your water and that'll seal it up beautifully. Then just set this aside on a baking tray, seam side down, lined with a baking mat. Now I use a baking mat simply because I just want to do a precaution so it doesn't stick. So this is going to give you, I'd say, 20 to 24 rolls, depending on how big or small you make them. We're going to slip these into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius preheated oven for about 40 minutes. The spring rolls are beautifully done, so we're just going to pull them out of the oven. And there you have it, guys, our super delicious baked beef spring rolls. Okay, let's go ahead and plate these up. And who would ever think that these are baked? They're so crisp. Okay, let's have a look inside here. Just look at that. And the smell is just incredible. Okay, the moment I always love is the taste test. Guys, these are incredible. I love the crunch, the spices, the beef, and they're so healthy. You know what? This is the way I'm making my spring rolls from now on. Just incredible. Yum. For the full scoop on this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. Myriad of recipes, well, not a myriad, but just about 1,000 recipes over there. You're going to love it, and I'm going to eat more of these. And thanks for subscribing, and see you next time. Yum.